Lucy, are we there yet? Yeah! Laurie, are we there yet? Anyone, are we there yet?
I'm here today at the summer conference. I'm representing the London office and I'm really excited for the next few days.
What made you join AppTweak in the first place?
I was looking to join a company who really wanted to embrace change, who was at the forefront of an industry, who actually likes each other, and really everyone gets along. A lot of people say that, but in AppTweak it's pretty real and really international as well.
Yeah, super international. I love that.
Ichi! Fantastic Pride!
Hello, I'm Lena here on the second day of the summer conference in Port Zeeland. Joining me is Chris.
Hi, my name is Chris Oh. I'm based in Seoul, South Korea. I'm a customer success manager and I'm really excited to be here. Actually, it's my first time joining the summer conference, so yeah, super hyped.
Oh, what made you join AppTweak?
It wasn't easy yes for me because the whole career that I was working, I was in the paid ads marketing actually. So it started off from the marketing agency and then moved on to the tracking side. So I was in the SaaS business, but I was curious like how apps can grow organically. So then I discovered AppTweak. So wanted to take a challenge for me to go out of the scope and yeah, dive in.
Let's go see all the fun that the team is getting into. Come on. No. What?
Like this.
Just wrapped up our cardboard boat race, and that wraps up the AppTweak Summer Conference 2026. Thank you so much for following us, and we will see you next year.